Here's the quote-unquote equipment that I use for my wind noise and audio tests. I tried the Garmin Virb action camera in its waterproof case just by itself. I had a lot of wind noise, wasn't very happy with the audio, so I tried to do some modifications to see what I could do to make the sound good. The first thing I did was try putting paper towel and electro tape over the mic area on the waterproof case. It helped, but it wasn't quite the improvement that I was looking for. Second attempt was just putting a sock over it. It was kind of a hassle to put over the case, but it actually worked surprisingly well. So if you're going to just do a quick modification, you'll see in the clips, this is very effective. And finally, I tried an external mic setup. What drew me to this particular microphone is that it's relatively cheap. From what I could tell, it gets pretty good sound from the few videos I could see of people actually trying it out. And it records in stereo, which seems to be pretty unique for small external microphones like that. To make it reach the bumper, I use an extension cord here. And then to hook it up, I have to use an adapter for my Garmin Virb Ultra. I tape off which one I actually use, so I always plug into the right one, don't worry about missing audio. And then you also have to get a skeleton case for it. So that's kind of unfortunate to buy all that stuff. You can't use the weatherproof case because you don't have access to the ports. You could try drilling it, consider that, but that seemed like a lot of work. I just was going to be lazy and just buy another case. You're going to need a dead cat here to put the mic in, otherwise the mic's going to pick up the wind noise really well. And then I also like to use a little love glove here. Keep it safe in all weather conditions. I've had this on track in the rain a whole bunch. It works really well. It also makes mounting a lot easier because you can tape it. Trying to tape to this dead cat just straight up does not work. And this whole setup lets me run it right above my license plate frame so I don't get too much distortion, and it just sounds great.